Should I use events, semaphores, locks, conditions, or a combination thereof to manage safely exiting my multi-threaded Python program? I am writing a multi-threaded Python program in which the main thread and the other threads it spawns run as daemons, but not with thread.daemon equals true, that look for certain files in certain directories and perform actions with them when they exist. It is possible that an error occurs in one/any of the threads which would require the whole program to exit. However, I need the other threads to finish their current job before exiting. From what I understand, if I set mythread.daemon equals true for my spawn threads, they will automatically exit immediately when the main thread exits. However, I want the other threads to finish their current job before exiting, unless the error is some sort of catastrophic failure, in which case I'll probably just exit everything anyway, safely or not. Therefore, I am not setting the daemon property to true for the threads. Looking at the threading module documentation and the various objects available to me such as events, semaphores, conditions, and locks, I'm unsure of the best way to handle my situation. Additionally, I'm unsure how to handle the scenario when the program needs to terminate due to sigterm/sigint signals. Some code that illustrates a simplified version of the structure of my program.
I would use an event to signal to a thread that it should exit. Create an event in _init_. Use the events wait in run for sleep and for checking when to exit. Set the event from outside to stop the thread. To handle exceptions within a thread, I would have a try/except block around everything it does. When something is caught, store the exception, and/or any other info you need, clean up and exit the thread. Outside, in the main thread, check for the store exceptions in all threads. If any exception is found, signal to all threads that they should exit. To handle exceptions in the main thread, which includes also sigint, have a try/except block there and signal to all threads to stop. All together with dummy exceptions and debug prints.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.